Yes, please join immediately. Okay, right. Yes, good evening, all of you. Yes, okay, na. Uh, Morning session, I covered only one topic in permutation, that is letter concept only completed. Next, this session only will discuss only logical ability or reasoning ability. This is section B. Section A, quantitative ability. Section B, logical ability. Logical ability syllabus. Again, we have 10 chapters. You may write any competitive exam, including civil services examination also. We have 10 topics. We have 10 chapters. Quant 10 chapters, reasoning 10 chapters. Total, we have 20 chapters. You may write any competitive exam, aptitude syllabus only 20 chapters. If you prepare 20 chapters perfectly, then only aptitude preparation completed, including gate examination also. A logical ability or reasoning ability topics. Okay, yes, first one, number one. Yes, my voice is breaking, Nana. Hello, what about others?
No, sir, it's absolutely fine.
Fine, fine, fine. Ma Nandini, please check your internet connection, Nana. I think that is only your problem. That is only your problem. Okay, yes. Right, good. Okay, right, please, Nana. Logical ability syllabus. Number one, calendar and clocks. First topic. Second, coding and decoding. Third, letter concept. Fourth, number concept. Here important topics, Nana. Here calendar and clocks important. You may write any competitive exam. 1 mark only calendar and 1 mark clocks topic. Here coding and decoding letter concept. These two are depending only alphabetical letters in English. A number concept means properties of numbers. A fifth chapter easy, important only, direction test only important. And who is that? Kindly mic off, please. Nehasri. Right, right. Okay. Yes, Nana. Uh, Direction test, number test, ranking test, time sequence test, but important to only direction test only important. Puzzle test or analytical reasoning or data arrangement. This is only important topic in logical ability. You may write any compass placement exam, minimum 5 marks only puzzle test topic. One puzzle, 5 questions, 5 marks in your exam. Puzzle test subtopics. Seating arrangement important. Family based examples important. Cube, cuboid, and dices important. These three only important to puzzle test. But Infosys based examination, you concentrate only puzzle test. Infosys company test pattern only logical ability. You prepare logical ability perfectly, then Infosys company preparation completed. Just like InfyTQ, you already InfyTQ completed. Check that pattern. All the questions are belongs to only logical part, but not quant part. But only for Infosys company and other campus placements, both sections important, quantitative ability important, and logical ability important. A next important topic, logic. Logic is also important. Minimum 2 marks only. Syllogism or logical deduction. This is only important. Amma. A next for government services examination, statements, conclusions, arguments, assumptions. This is important to only government services exams, especially for civil services exams. Nana. A next crypt arithmetic. This is only important to CAT services exams. Next non-verbal reasoning based on diagrams concept. Very simple, but important to Infosys company. Figure series, figure classification, figure analogy. Again, we have 10 chapters, but logical ability very simple. Here questions are based on only thinking power. There is no formulas. There is no simplification. Questions are based on only logical thinking. The type of questions are belongs to logical ability. Once again, important topics Nana for campus placements. First, you prepare these topics perfectly, then placement preparation completed. Here important topics, calendar and clocks important, coding and decoding important, letter and number concept easy, just depending only difference concept and multiplication concept series only important your exam. Next to direction test, you may write any placement exam, minimum one question only direction test topic. Next puzzle test, minimum 5 marks guarantee. Next syllogism, statements and conclusions. The type of questions are belongs to syllogism, minimum 2 marks compulsory. And non-verbal reasoning, these topics only important to your exam. Yes, please once again all of you check the pattern. But the section B, and section B, logical ability or reasoning ability. Reasoning ability or logical ability. Suppose number of questions 20, time duration 20 minutes, qualify marks 12 marks to qualify. Reasoning ability 20 questions, 20 marks, 12 marks to qualify. 12 marks to qualify. Here out of 20 marks, out of 20 marks, one puzzle guarantee, one puzzle 5 marks and guarantee, either seating arrangement or family based example. 5 marks out of 20 marks, 5 marks only puzzle test Nana. Yeah, next 2 marks only. No, 2 marks only logical deductions or syllogism. 2 marks, nana, 7 marks. Yeah, next 3 marks, nana, 3 marks only coding and decoding, nana. Coding and decoding letter and number concept minimum 3 marks, nana. Yeah, next calendar and clocks 2 marks, nana. A total target 12 marks to qualify means just you prepare 3 4 topics perfectly, then reasoning ability 100% completed. A remaining topics other marks nana. A target very simple. Reasoning ability very simple. First my target how to clear the exam. And first you concentrate these topics perfectly. Then reasoning ability completed. First cut off marks. Next remaining marks. That is my target nana. Okay. This is the perfect syllabus. Not only campus placements. You may write any placement exam. Also any competitive exam. Reasoning ability or logical ability. Total we have 10 chapters nana. Okay, 10 chapters. If you prepare these chapters perfectly, then only logical ability preparation completed. Okay, right. Yeah, next nana. Okay, right. Next nana, coming to the topics nana. Right, first topic heading calendar and clocks nana. Right, heading first topic heading calendar amma. Okay, yes, first topic heading calendar. Topic name calendar, in bracket 1 mark nana. You may write any placement exam, minimum 1 mark only calendar topic. Minimum 1 mark only calendar topic. Okay, minimum 1 mark only calendar topic nana. Right. Yeah, next side heading concept of the topic nana. Side heading concept of the topic. side heading concept of the topic nana. Okay, yes please all of you listen nana, simple topic nana. Here question join questions for campus placements in calendar nana. Find the day of the week on nana. Find the day of the week on. Here find the day of the week on. Here 21st July 2021 is dash. This type of questions important to campus placements and also competitive exams nana. We can expect only one mark from only calendar topic. Here there is no formulas, there is no simplification. Questions are based on only thinking power. That is called logical ability. Okay, yes please. Here nana, first concept of the topic nana, please all of you listen. A total we have three models nana. First model only definitions, second model coding, third model problems. If you know these three models perfectly, then one mark in your pocket. Okay, yes. A first model definitions nana, definitions. In calendar we have three definitions nana. First one leap year, second one ordinary year, and second one ordinary year, and the third one odd days nana. Total we have three definitions only. Total we have three definitions nana. Here leap year, ordinary year, odd days nana, three definitions. If you know these three definitions perfectly, then calendar topic completed, one mark completed amma. Okay, right. Here first one leap year definition amma. Leap year definition nana. A leap year definition, first point, it contains 366 days nana. February month contains 29 days, that is called leap year amma. Second point nana, second point, in calendar we have two type of years nana. One is normal year, other one centuries nana. A normal year is given, it is divisible by 4, that year is called leap year nama. Century type of questions are given, it is divisible by 400, that year is called leap year. Once again important, once again important, all of you listen nana. In calendar we have two type of years nana. One is suppose normal year nana. 1972 is called normal year, 1900 is called century. Calendar only two models, normal year and century. Normal year, the type of questions are given, it is divisible by 4, that year is called leap year. Century indicate unit digit 10 digit is equal to 0. Unit digit 10 digit is equal to 0. The type of years are called centuries nana. Every century it is exactly divisible by 4, but not a leap year. Century definition, it is divisible by 400, that year is called leap year. Simple method, normal year type of questions are given, it is divisible by 4, that year is called leap year. Century type of questions are given, 1900 is also called 19th century. 19th century. Century definition, it is divisible by 400, that year is called leap year. This is about leap year amma. Next, ordinary year definition not required. Reason, the year which is not a leap year, that is called ordinary year. Here important to only leap year but not ordinary year. Ordinary year definition, the year which is not leap year, that is called ordinary year. That is called ordinary year. A last point, odd day concept. Odd day concept. Odd day is nothing but completion of a week is called odd day. Completion of a week is called odd day. Suppose example, given a period 10 days contains dash odd days. Odd day definition, completion a week. A week means only 7 days. More than 7 days is called odd day. But 10 days contains dash odd days. 10 divisible by 7, remainder is equal to 3. 10 days only 3 odd days. Now, this is about odd day definition. Nana. Okay, this is about odd day definition. Once again, odd day definition, completion a week is called odd day. Blindly, odd day type of questions are given. It is divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to answer. Odd day definition. It is divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to answer. Divisible by 7, remainder is equal to answer. Yet 10 days contains only 3 odd days, nana. This is about calendar concept, amma. Only 3 points only important to calendar. One is leap year, second ordinary year, third odd day concept, amma. A next part coding and followed by examples. Just only 3 methods, nana. If you know these 3 methods perfectly, then in your exam 1 mark completed. Okay, 1 mark only calendar topic, simple topic, nana. But apply only logical method, that is only important to your exam. And time factor also important. One question maximum only 1 minute, amma. Okay, yes, nana. Please write, wait, nana. Shilpa, nana, vinandamma. Okay, right, amma. Next, nana, write notes rayandi, nana. Yes, nana. First, this is about concept only, nana. Right, first, nana. Right, heading, side heading, concept of the topic, nana. In bracket definitions, nana, please. In bracket definitions, nana, please write definitions, nana. Then first point number 1, side heading leap year. Side heading leap year. Leap year. Then first point number 1, right, information, nana, please notes maintain cheyandi. Right, note 1, it contains 366 days. It contains 366 days. In bracket, February month contains 29 days. February month contains 29 days. First point. Second point, number 2. A normal year, which is divisible by 4, that year is called leap year. That year is called leap year. Example, 1972, comma, 1976, comma, 1980, etc. 1980, etc. Next, third point. A century, which is divisible by 400. A century which is divisible by 400. That century is called leap century, or leap year. Both are same meaning. Leap century or leap year. Leap year. Example, 400, comma, 800, comma, 1200, and so on. And so on. Second point, number 2. Side heading ordinary year. Second point, side heading ordinary year. Then first point, number 1. Number 1. It contains 365 days. It contains 365 days. And February month contains only 28 days. February month contains only 28 days. Second point, number 2. The year, which is not leap year. The year which is not leap year, is called ordinary year. Is called ordinary year. Ordinary year. Okay, right. Ordinary year. Next, third point, number 3. Side heading odd days. Side heading odd days. Odd days. Right, definition. A week contains a week contains 7 days. A week contains 7 days, comma. More than 7 days is called more than 7 days is called odd day. More than 7 days is called odd day. More than 7 days is called odd day. Right. Example. Example. Given a period. Given a period. 10 days contains 10 days contains dash odd days. Right method. 10 divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to 3. 3 odd days. 3 odd days. A next note important note. Note. Note important. Note. First point number 1. Odd days are always less than 7. Odd days are always less than 7. Next, number 2. Second point, number 2. Ordinary year contains 365 days. That is 365 divisible by 7. 365 divisible by 7. A quotient 52. Remainder 1. That is 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. That means ordinary year contains only 1 odd day. Next, third point, number 3. A leap year contains a leap year contains 366 days. 366 days. That is 366 divisible by 7. 366 divisible by 7. A quotient 52. Remainder 2. That is 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. 2 odd days. Next, number 4. Fourth point. Divisible by 4 means divisible by 4 means consider only quotient. Divisible by 4 means consider only quotient. That is number of leap years. That is number of leap years. Next, note 5. Divisible by 7 means divisible by 7 means consider only remainder. Consider only remainder. That is number of odd days. That is number of odd days. Number of odd days. This is about concept of the topic, Nana. Okay? Yes, please. Once again, all of listen, Amma. Just please listen, Nana. Easy. A notations only important to campus placements, Nana. Notations only important to problems. Once again, all of listen. Notations. Odd days always less than 7. Because it is divisible by 7 is nothing but remainder is always less than the divisor. Answer should be less than 7. If it is more than 7, again and again divisible by 7, the result convert into less than 7. That is your answer. This topic, all the values must you convert into a less than 7. If it is less than 7, that is your answer. That is first point. Second point, a single and ordinary year contains only one odd day. A single and ordinary year contains only one odd day. This point important to probability. This point important to probability. Suppose example, find the probability that an ordinary year contains 53 Sundays. Find the probability that an ordinary year contains 53 Sundays. We know that ordinary year contains 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. 52 weeks means 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, and so on, 52 Saturdays. Next day, we want Sunday. That is event possibility only one. N of S total number of days 7. Then probability is equal to 1 by 7. Ordinary year is given. Probability is equal to 1 by 7. If it is leap year, then probability is equal to 2 by 7. Yet second point to third point, ordinary year contains only one odd day. Leap year contains only two odd days. Leap year contains only two odd days. Then probability, ordinary year 1 by 7, leap year 2 by 7. Leap year 2 by 7. Okay, leap year 2 by 7. Yeah, next fourth point, in a calendar topic, if you want to leap years, in a calendar topic, if you want to leap years divisible by 4, consider only quotient. Divisible by 4 indicate number of leap years, consider only quotient. If you want to odd day divisible by 7, remainder is equal to answer, either divisible by 4 or divisible by 7. Divisible by 4 indicate consider quotient, that is the number of leap years. Divisible by 7 indicate remainder, that indicate number of odd days. This is the perfect concept of the topic, Nana. If you know these 5 points clearly, then 1 mark completed in your exam. Okay, yes, concept clear, Nana, or any doubts? Yes, this method clear or not, Nana?
Sir, one say the fourth point, sir. Divisible by 4 means
Uh,
consider only quotients, that is number of leap years.
yes, Nana. Fourth one,
One
suppose
show
Nana.
with an exam.
Yes, please listen. One example, Nana. Please listen, Nana. Suppose Nana, 73, 73 years, Nana. 73 years contains dash leap years, Nana. 73 years contains dash leap years means 73, it is divisible by 7. Quotient is equal to 18. That means 73 years contains 18 leap years. That is the meaning, Nana. By 4 indicate number of leap years, consider only quotient. మీరు ఈ టాపిక్ లో బై 4 చేస్తే క్వోషంట్ తీసుకోండి, బై 7 చేస్తే రిమైండర్ తీసుకోండి. ఆ డెఫినేషన్స్ ఏమైతాయి? బై 4 అంటే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లీప్ ఇయర్స్, బై 7 ఇండికేట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆడ్ డేస్. దట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ లీప్ ఇయర్ అండ్ ఆడ్ డే. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్, నాన్న. ఎస్, నౌ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
ఎస్, ప్లీజ్
Sir,
ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ.
and one more, sir. The first point, odd days are always less than 7. You said right, sir.
ఎస్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ నాన్న.
If they
బికాస్ ఎస్,
become less than 7, sir, in first.
నాన్న, ఇప్పుడు ఏ వీక్ కంటెంట్స్ ఓన్లీ 7 డేసే కదా.
Yes, sir.
7 days అంటే ఆల్రెడీ డెఫినేషన్ ఏంటిది? ఇట్ ఈస్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 7, రిమైండర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆన్సర్. ఇప్పుడు డివిజిబుల్ బై 7 అంటే రిమైండర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఆల్వేస్ లెస్ దాన్ ది డివైజర్ ఓన్లీనా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the reason. And ఇప్పుడు divisible by 7 indicate remainder should be less than 7 and odd is less than 7. That means 0 to 6, Nana. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any doubts, Nana? Please. అమ్మా, క్లియర్ కదా? కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓకే కదా? మళ్ళీ డౌట్స్ అడగొద్దు నన్ను, అందుకే నేను టైం ఇస్తున్నాను మీకు. హలో, ప్లీజ్ కైండ్లీ రెస్పాండ్ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్లీజ్. This is only important to your exam. If you know this concept perfectly, then this topic completed. Same, this is also important to coding. And a calendar means the same method convert into a coding part also. Please kindly mic off, Nana. Meenakshi Golla, don't disturb the session. This is for all, not for you. Yes, clear? Right. Okay, na? Right. Next one, heading method 2, right? Second method. Number 2, Nana. Second method 2, number 2. Second. Okay, first method clear, amma. Second method. Last, Nana, I will give 10 minutes time. Please ask me any doubts regarding this topic, Nana. Okay, right. Next heading, Nana. Method number 2. In bracket coding part, Nana, please. In bracket coding part. Okay, right. Right. First point, amma, side heading day code. Side heading day code. Okay, right, Nana. Method 0 Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday. 6 Saturday. 6 Saturday. Day code. Okay. Second number. Second century code. Second century code. Second century code. Right method. 1600 to 1699 contains 6. 1700 to 1799 4. Next 1800 to 1899 2. 1900 to 1999 0. 2000 to 2099 6, and so on. Please write method, write coding part number. Last one month code, please. Last one month code. January 0, February 3, March 3, April 6, May 1, June 4, July 6, August 2, September 5, October 0, November 3, December 5. December 5. Okay. Yes. Please write 3 codes, Nana. Here next to how to find the codes, Nana. Okay. Right. But this is only concept of the topic, Nana. Me exam lo what is April code, what is month code. The type of questions are not given in the exam. But problems are depending only coding part. If you know day code, century code, month code perfectly, then problems very simple. Yes, please. Yes, completed, Nana. 3 codes completed. Okay. Yes, Nana. Yes, very good. Please listen, Nana. Just 5 minutes, close your notes, Nana. Then 1 mark completed here. Okay. Just 5 minutes, close your notes, Nana. Please, all of listen. In next method, how to find the coding part. That is important. That is important, Amma. Ante kada make coding part idea వస్తే then problems easy, Nana. Just 1 minute enough అన్నట్టుగా. Okay. Yes, please listen, Nana. First one day code, Amma. How to find the day code? Here generally calendar, Amma. Calendar. First, first, first is Monday. First day is called Monday, Amma. First day, first month, first year, Monday. One Monday, two Tuesday, three Wednesday, four Thursday, five Friday, six Saturday. But seven Sunday. Odd days are always less than seven. 7 by 7 remainder is equal to 0. And 0 means Sunday, Nana. But generally, first day is called Monday, but not Sunday. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Odd days less than 7. 7 by 7 remainder 0. Then Sunday code is equal to 0. Yeah, blindly, Nana. Suppose your answer is 3. 3 indicate Wednesday. 1 indicate Monday. 6 indicate Saturday. That is your answer. Here blindly, all of you remember the day code. Sunday to Saturday, 0 to 6. This is very simple, Amma. Here second one century code, Nana. Second one century code. Please listen, Amma. Second one century code, Nama. Century code 1600 to 1699. 1600 to 1699 contains only 6 odd days, Nana. 6 odd days. Please, all of listen, Nana. General method. General method, we know that one single ordinary year, Nana, one single ordinary year contains only one odd day. One single leap year contains only 2 odd days. Ordinary year, 1 odd day, leap year, 2 odd days, Nana. But this is 1600 to 1699. 100 years contains dash odd days, Nana. 100 years contains dash odd days. First method. These 100 years contains how many leap years, how many ordinary years, Nana. but 1600 to 1699 100 years contains how many leap years, how many ordinary years nana. Next method, one ordinary year, one odd day, total number of odd days. One leap year, two odd days, total number of odd days. Finally, it is divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to answer. That is the method. But that is not required blindly. 1600 to 1699 contains 6 odd days, Nana. That complete 100 years contains only 6 odd days, Nana. Here up to none, 0 to none. This is called 0 to. A 0 to up to 1699 contains 6 odd days, Nana. Next, 0 to 1799 contains 4 odd days, Nana. Next part, every 100 years contains only 5 odd days, Nana. Please, all of listen to Andy. General method amma, every 100 years nana, every 100 years contains 5 odd days nana. But this is called nana, this is called every 100 years ante 1700 is called ordinary year, 1600 is called leap year. Leap year means 6 odd days, ordinary year means only 100 5 odd days nana. Once again amma, century effect, century definition, 1600 is called leap year, 1700 is called ordinary year, 1800 is called ordinary year, 1900 is called ordinary year. Century definition, it is divisible by 400, that year only leap year, otherwise is not a leap year. But 1600, this is exactly divisible by 400, that year is called leap year. This is leap year, it contains is equal to 6 odd days, nana. Next, 1700 is called ordinary year. We know that every 100 years contains only 5 odd days, nana. Yes, 6 plus 5, nana. 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5 is equal 11. 11 again divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to 4. That is 1700 to 1799 contains only 4 odd days. Again incrementing plus 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 by 7, 2. 1800 to 1899 only 2 odd days. Again plus 5. Plus 5 means 7. 7 by 7, remainder is equal to 0. But 2000 is called leap century. 2000 year is called leap year. It contains is equal to 6 and so on. Your method easy. Once again, a shortcut method, logical method. This is a general method. Shortcut method amma. Leap century starting is equal to 6 nana. Between years 420, 420, cyclic repeated. Once again, century code shortcut method. Century code shortcut method. Leap century starting is equal to 6. Between years 420, 420, cyclic repeated. Between years 420, 420, cyclic repeated. Leap centuries, nana. Leap centuries means 400 leap century, 800 leap century, 1200 leap century, and so on. A next 400 leap century is equal to 6. A 500 is equal to 4. 600 is equal to 2. 700 is equal to 0. 800 leap century is equal to 6. 900 is equal to 4. 1000 is equal to 2. 1100 is equal to 0. 1200 leap century is equal to 6 and so on. Century code method. Century code method. Leap century starting is equal to 6. Between years 420, 420, cyclic repeated. Leap centuries 400, 800, 1200, 600 and so on. These are contains only 6. Between years 420, 420, cyclic repeated. This is about century code amma. A next one, month code. Month code general method. First, January month contains 30. January month contains 0 odd days. Next, January month contains 31 days. 31 divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to 3. Then February month contains 3 odd days. Ordinary year, February month contains only 28 days. 28 divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. March code is equal to 3. Next, March month contains 31 days. 31 divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next, April month contains 30 days. 30 divisible by 7, remainder is equal to 2. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Again divisible by 7, remainder is equal to 1. May month is equal to 1, and so on. This is called general method and complex method. If you want November code, you have to solve all the month codes, that lengthy lengthy and complex method. Next, short method, logical method. How to find the month code in a logical method? Logical method, please all of you listen. Here January mathematics starting number is equal to 0, then January code is equal to 0. Next, February March, generally 10th and intermediate students, February and March all are busy with exams. In exams time, student mind mood off. Mood means Telugu words is equal to 3. Then February March code is equal to 3. Next, you have to remember two month codes. April is equal to 6 and July is equal to 6. You remember only two month codes, April and July. Yeah, next May. May special May Day. May Day is equal to 1. May code is equal to 1. Next June. June special June. June means JUNA. A number of letters is equal to 4. June code is equal to 4. Yeah, next July completed. Next August. A pronunciation August. Pronunciation August. 2 means August code is equal to 2. A September special Teachers Day. September 5 Teachers Day. Next to October 00 balancing. October code is equal to 0. Yeah, next November special 14th Children's Day. Here 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 143. The November code is equal to 3. A last one December special is equal to 25 Christmas. 25 means is equal to 5 square. Odd days less than 7. 5. December code is equal to 5. This is called logical method to remember the month code. Once again, all of you listen. Here month code January starting number 0. February March exams time. Student mind mood off. Mood means Telugu words is equal to 3. April July is equal to 6. May means May Day. June JUNE. Next August pronunciation. September Teachers Day. October 00. November 143. December 25 5 square. This is about month code. Yeah, next century code logic. Leap century starting is equal to 6. Between years 420 420 cyclic repeated. Yeah, next day code Sunday to Saturday 0 to 6. This is about coding part, Nana. Yes, clear or any doubts, Nana, regarding coding part, please. Yes, coding part, Nana. Nana, January చూడండి. Nana, January అంటే mathematics starting number 0. January code is equal to 0, Nana. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిబ్రవరి మార్చ్ చూడండి. ఫిబ్రవరి మార్చ్లో మీకు ఏముంటాయి? జనరల్గా 10th క్లాస్కి ఇంటర్మీడియట్కి ఫిబ్రవరి అండ్ మార్చ్లో ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి నాన్న. అంటే అందరూ బిజీ విత్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైం హౌ ఈస్ ద స్టూడెంట్ మైండ్ అమ్మా? ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ పీరియడ్ హౌ ఈస్ ద స్టూడెంట్ మైండ్? మీ మైండ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైంలో? మూడ్ ఆఫ్ అయింది అంటారు. మూడ్ అంటే తెలుగు వర్డ్స్ ఎంత? 3. అంటే ఫిబ్రవరి మార్చ్ కోడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 అన్నట్టు. ఓకేనా సుప్రజ? ఎస్ క్లియర్ సుప్రజ? ఎస్ ఎస్ వాట్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్ నాన్న? ఎస్ క్లియర్ కదా? డే కోడ్, సెంచరీ కోడ్, మంత్ కోడ్, జనరల్ మెథడ్ అండ్ షార్ట్. నాన్న I covered 2 methods, Nana. I covered 2 methods. General method completed and logical method also completed. Yes, kindly respond please about coding part. Please kindly respond all the students please. Please mic off చేయండి. Nana మీరు డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తే నేను డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తాను మిమ్మల్ని. Don't disturb the session. This is for all, not for you people only కదా. Yes, please kindly respond. Amma, this is important your exam. ఈ కోడింగ్ పార్ట్ వస్తే దెన్ 5 minutes టాపిక్ కంప్లీట్. 5 minutes ఎనఫ్ నాన్న. 5 minutes ఎనఫ్. నవంబర్ అండ్ డిసెంబర్ కదా నాన్న. ఆదిలక్ష్మి నవంబర్ స్పెషల్ ఏంటిది నాన్న? నవంబర్ మాత్రం మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? నవంబర్లో మనకి 14th చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే వస్తుంది అమ్మా. అది ఫిక్స్డ్ కదా, మారదు నాన్న. నవంబర్ 14th చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే ఫిక్స్డ్. అంటే 4 - 1 3 అంటే 143 అన్న ఐ లవ్ యూ అన్నట్టు 143 అంటే నవంబర్ కోడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 నాన్న. డిసెంబర్లో మనకు ఫిక్స్డ్ ఏమొస్తుంది క్రిస్మస్ 25 ఫిక్స్డ్ అది ఏం చేంజ్ కాదు. అంటే 25 ఏంటిది 5 స్క్వేర్ ఆడ్ డేస్ లెస్ దెన్ 7 కదమ్మా 5 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 5 డిసెంబర్ కోడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5. ఓకేనా ఆదిలక్ష్మి? నో 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 మహేంద్ర చౌదరి నాన్న ఫస్ట్ అది కంప్లీట్ కావాలి కదా నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు జాన్వరిలో అది దట్ ఈజ్ అప్లికబుల్ టు ఫిబ్రవరి నాన్న. ఫిబ్రవరి అంటే కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ జనవరి దట్ మంత్ కంటెంట్స్ 3 odd days నాన్న. దట్ మంత్ కంటెంట్స్ 3 odd days. బట్ కంప్లీట్ కాలే కదా. కంప్లీట్ కాదినప్పుడు మనం 0 అని రాయాలి. కంప్లీట్ అయితే 3 అని రాయాలి. ఓకే సపోజ్ మీరు చూడండి ఎగ్జామ్ చూడండి 10th January 2000 అంటాడు. 10th January అంటే ఏంటి 10 డేసే ఉంది మనకి. ఆ 10 డేస్ ఫినిష్ అయిపోతే మనం 33 odd days రాసుకోవచ్చు. డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మంత్ కన్సిడర్ దట్ పాయింట్ అదర్వైజ్ నో నీడ్ జస్ట్ యూ ఫాలో దీస్ పాయింట్స్ ఎనఫ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఓకే ఎస్ నాన్న. నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ అమ్మ నెక్స్ట్ నోట్ అని రాయనమ్మా నోట్ ప్లీజ్. నెక్స్ట్ నోట్ అమ్మ నోట్ నాన్న నోట్ అమ్మ నోట్ రాయండి. సైడ్ హెడింగ్ సెంచరీ కోడ్ నోట్ సైడ్ హెడింగ్ సెంచరీ కోడ్ ఓకే రాయండి అమ్మ. లీప్ సెంచరీ స్టార్టింగ్ 6 between years 4,2,0 are cyclic repeated. Second point, leap centuries means 400, 800, 1200, 1600 and so on. Next side heading month code. First point, in ordinary year January code is equal to 0. And February code is equal to 3. January code is equal to 0 and February code is equal to 3. Next, second point, number 2. In a leap year, January code -1, February code 2. In leap year, January code -1, February code 2. Okay, yes please, just 1 minute amma, please listen anna. In month code amma, March to December, either a ordinary year or a leap year. March to December month code same, just you change only January and February. In ordinary year, January 0, February 3. In leap year, January -1, February 2. March to December, either a ordinary year or leap year. March to December month code same, just to change only 2 month codes January and February, ordinary year and leap year. Okay, right. Next side heading examples please. Side heading examples, third method examples. Number 1, first example amma. Number 1, find the day of the week on find the day of the week on 21st July 2021. 21st July 2021. Okay, yes nana, please listen. But in your exam today date type of questions are not given, Anna, but method constant. This method is constant. You may apply any problem in calendar, same method applicable. Okay, yes, please listen just 1 minute, Amma. Then topic completed ಈಗ. My part completed, Amma. Please listen. A method, Amma. Method fixed, Anna. Method first date 21 plus last two digit of a year, last two digit of a year 21, same last two digit of a year which is divisible by 4. Here by 4 indicate consider only quotient but not remainder. Remainder 0 but quotient 5. Third step consider only quotient 21 by 4 5 nana. Here next part MC. MC means month code. July month code is equal to 6. And next part CC. CC means century code. 2000 to 2099 century code is equal to 6 nana. Here next the sum is equal to 21 plus 21 42, 47, 47 plus 6 53, 59. The sum is equal to 59. Last step is always divisible by 7. By 7 indicate consider only remainder but not quotient. A remainder is equal to 3. 3 indicate our day code. 3 means is equal to Wednesday. Then today date is equal to Wednesday. This is the method. If you know this technique perfectly, then calendar topic completed. This model only important to your exam. Once again, please all of you listen. Here once again, all of you check the procedure number. First date 21, last two digit of a year, last two digit of a year which is a divisible by 4. Consider only quotient but not remainder. MC means month code, July month code 6. CC means century code 2000 to 2099 contains only 6 odd days. That complete 100 years contains 6 odd days. The sum is equal to 59. Finally, it is divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to answer. Remainder is equal to 3. 3 indicate Wednesday. Therefore, 21st July 2021 is Wednesday. This is the method. Yes, clear, Nana? One mark completed or not? Yes, one mark completed or not, please. One mark completed or not? Yes, please. Yes, one mark completed. Okay, na? Yes, respond about calendar topic procedure. There is no formulas here, Nana. Just logic only important. One topic depending only one logic. If you know that logic, that entire topic completed here. This is the calendar topic procedure. If you know this procedure, then one mark completed in your exam. Shortest procedure amma. Here important to only shortcut methods only important to reasoning ability. Shortcuts only important to reasoning ability. మీరు already completed by 4 indicate number of leap years, by 7 indicate number of odd days. Third step consider only quotient, last step consider only remainder. Okay, right. Okay na? Right nama. Second example number 2 nana please. Second number 2 nana. Second first example completed amma. Second number 2 please dana. Second example, number two, find the day of the week on, find the day of the week on 10th January, 10th January 2012, 10th January 2012. Yes, please write all of you listen. Method same, Nana, right method. First date 10, last two digit of a year 12, last two digit of a year divisible by 4. A 12 by 4 quotient is equal to 3. Remainder is equal to 0. Remainder 0. But consider only quotient is equal to 3. Okay. Yes, please. All of you listen, amma. This is important to your exam. Please, all of you listen, amma. Blindiga. Blindiga. If the problem is belongs to January or February, please. Vinali. Winter mark job guarantee, please. If the problem is belongs to January or February, then you check third step remainder. If the problem is belongs to January or February, then you can check third step remainder. If third step remainder is equal to 0, that year is called leap year. In leap year, January month code -1, but not 0. This is important your exam. Once again, please, Malavinan, please, Nana. This is important your exam, please, Nana. Once again, all of listen, Amma. Once again, all of listen. This is important your exam. మీరు అన్నిటికీ అవసరం లేదు నాన్న. మీరు ఒక్కటే బ్లైండ్గా ఏం చేయండి, if the problem is belongs to నాన్న, if the problem is belongs to January and February only, ఈ 2 మంత్సే. మీకు మార్చి టు డిసెంబర్ వస్తే మీరు ఏం చెక్ చేయకండి. ఓన్లీ జనవరి అండ్ ఫిబ్రవరి. If the problem is belongs to January and February, then check third step remainder. Third step remainder is equal to 0. That year is called leap year. Third step not equal to 0. That year is called ordinary year. In ordinary year, January code is equal to 0. In leap year, January code is equal to -1. That is the main point, Amma. Yeah, next same point, century code. Century code 2000 to 2099 is equal to 6. Next sum, 10 plus 12, 22, 25, 24, 30. The sum is equal to 30. Finally, divisible by 7. 30 by 7. 30 by 7. Remainder 7 into 4, 28. Remainder is equal to 2. 2 indicated day code Tuesday. Therefore, second question answer is equal to Tuesday. Tuesday only correct answer. Okay na? Tuesday only correct answer. Okay, simple technique నాన్న. వన్స్ అగైన్ అన్న, మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకండి. ఒకటే నన్ను వినండి, మీరు జనవరి అండ్ ఫిబ్రవరి ఈ 2 మంత్స్ వస్తే మాత్రమే చెక్ చేయండి, మిగతా వాటికి అవసరం లేదు. బట్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు జనవరి, then check third step remainder. If third step remainder is equal to 0, that year is called ordinary year. In that year is called leap year. In leap year, January code -1, February code 2. In ordinary year, January code is equal to 0, February code is equal to 3. But this question is belongs to leap year. January code is equal to -1. Sum is equal to 30. 30 divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to 2. 2 indicated Tuesday. Then second question answer Tuesday, Nana. Okay? Yes, Nana. Yeah, next number. Example number 3, Nana, please. Example number 3. Important number. Right. Example number 3, Nana. Example number 3. Right. Example. Find the day of the week on 20 October 1369. 10th 20 October 1369. Definitely, please wait, Monica. Wait few minutes, Nana. Wait few minutes. Next, third example, 20 October 1369. 20 October 1369. Right method, right, same method. First 20, last 2 digit of a year 69. Next 69 divisible by 4. Consider only quotient 17. Next, MC means month code, October code 0, and CC century code. Method, nearest leap century 1200. 1200 is equal to 6, 1300 4, 1400 2, 1500 0. But 1300 century code is equal to 4. This is important. A century code, leap century starting is equal to 6, 1300. Nearest leap century 1200. 1200 is equal to 6. Between years 420 cyclic repeated. Then 1300 century code is equal to 4. A next sum, 20 plus 30 69. 20 plus 69 89. 89 plus 17. No. Next, once again, in remaining part only calculation. No. Remaining part only calculation. Please, remaining part only calculation. 89 plus 17. No. 89 plus 17. 18 plus 17. 106. 106 plus 4 is equal to 110. The sum is equal to 110. 110 divisible by 7. Remainder is equal to 5. 5 indicate is equal to Friday. Friday only correct answer. Easy method. Your important century code only important to your exam. century code, a century code 1300 to 1399, complete 100 years contains only 4 odd days. Nana. This question answer, the sum is equal to 110, 110 divisible by 7, remainder is equal to 5, 5 indicate Friday, Friday only correct. Friday only correct. Okay, na? Third example, amma. Right, last example, number 4, amma, please. Last example, number 4. Yes, now, last example, number 4. Right example, amma, important. Right example. Find the day of the week on. Find the day of the week on 23rd November 2001. 23rd November 2001. 2001. Yes, now, same method. First 23. Last two digit of a year 01. Last two digit of a year 01. Next 01 by 4, 01 by 4 is equal to 0. 01 years contains 0 leap years. Once again, don't convert into decimal. Sir, 01 by 4 is equal to 0.2 is not correct here. Consider only rounded but not decimal. Once again, 0 by 4 0, 1 by 4 0, 2 by 4 0, 3 by 4 0, 4 by 4 1. 01 by 4 years contains only 0 leap years. Next November month code. November month code only 3, and 2001 century code is equal to 6. The sum is equal to 35. Last step, it is divisible by 7. A 35 divisible by 7. 7 into 5 35. Remainder is equal to 0. By 7 consider only remainder but not quotient. Remainder is equal to 0. 0 indicate Sunday. Therefore, 23rd November 2001, Sunday only correct answer. Sunday only correct answer. This is about calendar, amma. Okay, for third one, fourth one important. Here identification only important to your exam, but method is same. You may apply any problem in calendar. This method is 100% exist, no doubt at all. Okay, yes, okay, na? Yes, clear, Nana? Hello. Yes, okay, na? Right. Nana, last, Nana, fifth example, Nana, please, Nana. Right, fifth example, please. Right, last example, fifth example, Nana. Here, find the day of the week on your birthday date, amma. Printing mistake, amma. Sir, last one check చేయండి, amma. Sorry. 23 plus 1, 24, 27, sorry. Last one, this sum 33, Nana, please. Printing 33, Nana. 33 means 7 into 4, 28, amma. 5 and Friday, Nana, please. Last one Friday, kada? Right, please. Last one, please, Nana. I think print mistake, Nana. Simplification only mistake. Yes, please, Nana. 23 01 036 33 33 by 7. 33 by 7 remain. Last fourth example answer Friday but not Sunday. Okay, yes. And last example, fifth example, Ryan. Find the day of the week on your birthday date. Right, your birthday date. Please check your birthday date correct or not using this application, using this procedure. Yes, please. Last example, Anna. Find your birthday date. Find your birthday date. Not day to day, birthday. Day to day, birthday only. Day to day already 2019 రాసుకోండి. Birthday only. అందరి సేమ్ ఉండదు నాన్న. వెరిఫై యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఓన్లీ. మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. చెక్ యువర్ క్యాలెండర్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్. అప్లై సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. Yes, please check your answer. Yes, check your answer, please. ఎస్ గుడ్ నాన్న అనూహ్య కోటపాటి ఎస్ కరెక్టే కదా నాన్న దట్ మెథడ్ అప్లికేబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ అప్లై సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఎస్ గుడ్ గుడ్ right nana this material also morning material and calendar material practice examples now I will forward to your WhatsApp group nana next sessions doubts అడగండి clarify చేస్తాను yes today material both permutations as well as calendar this complete 2 PPTs I will forward to your WhatsApp group and I will forward to Ram sir nana Ram sir కి షేర్ చేస్తాను మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాడు డెఫినెట్ గా you practice the 2 topics nana please ask me any doubts regarding the topic questions nana tomorrow definitely I will explain the problem solutions also but that questions always depending only this concept if you know concept of the topic then examples are very simple okay first my target concept of the topic next practice questions practice questions means that that questions are belongs to previous companies nana yeah definitely Sonu Sharma write my number yes nana please yes yes to everyone రైట్ అన్న 9704413836 అన్న సోను శర్మ మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి నేను మీకు వాట్సాప్లో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో దట్ నెంబర్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో ప్లీజ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ క్యాంపస్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీరు రిక్వెస్ట్ పెట్టండి డెఫినెట్గా ఐ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ కంప్లీట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ సుప్రజ ఎందుకు ఇట్స్ నీడ్ ఫర్ యూ రిగార్డెడ్ సెషన్స్ సుప్రజ నీడ్ అందుకేనా మీకేమైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే ఆ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తున్నా కదనా ఆ వాట్సాప్లో మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉంటే పెట్టండి నేను క్లియర్గా డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను
Sir,
Ah.
2001, you said 01/4, we can take 0, right, sir?
Yes, exactly.
If it's January, we'll take -1 in that question,
No,
right,
no,
sir?
no, 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 no. Your quotient 0, but not remainder 0. Put 0 1/4. 1/4
Yes, sir,
indicate
yes, sir, yes, sir.
quotient 0, but not remainder
So,
0.
so 0/4 is also 0, right, sir? Then we can take Jan also as 1 only, no, sir?
No, 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 no. So that is depends upon year. Suppose 2000, 2000 0/4 0, but 2000 year leap year. But
Yes,
January
sir.
code -1, okay. But what about 1900?
Yes, sir. Then
1900 leap century, but that is not leap year. January code 0 only.
okay, sir.
Okay. No, that example, no,
So
that
0,
example
0/4,
available.
for 0/4, for January we have to take 0 only, right, sir?
Can you, that is 100% applicable only normal year, but not leap centuries, but not centuries, nana.
Then what to do, sir? In the...
Same method, nana. Sir, listen, just wait 1 minute, please. Mallapudi, right, please, nana. Suppose winana, please, nana. Meer vinandi, nana. This is important, please, vinandi. Nana, please, nana. Suppose చూడండి, nana. 10th January 19 అనడమ్మా మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు 10/00/4 0 ఓకే రైట్ బట్ నాన్న 1900 అమ్మ 1900 is a century that cannot divisible by 400 that year is called ordinary year then January code is equal to 0 next suppose 10th January 2000 same 10/00/4 0 but 2000 is a century that is exactly divisible by 400 that year leap year in leap year January code -1 okay mullapudi okay na babu
So in that
ardhamainda
case, we have to check that also, right, sir?
that also that is only for centuries condition ana but no need to check
0/4 చెక్ చేసి దాని తర్వాత century/4400 కూడా చెక్ చేయమని.
definitely
కాకపోతే 01 ఉన్నప్పుడు జనవరి 0నే.
జీరో 01/4 జనవరి 0, 02/4 జనవరి 0, 03/4 జనవరి 0.
My birth year is 2000, sir. So I got the doubt.
ఓకే 2000.
Yes, sir.
దెన్
I
జనవరి కోడ్ -1.
no. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
జనవరి కోడ్ -2000, జనవరి కోడ్ -1 అన్న, బికాస్ దట్
Yes,
ఇస్
sir.
లీప్ సెంచరీ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Otherwise is not correct.
Yes, sir. We have to check 400 also for
Definitely.
2000.
That is only few questions. Centuries only few questions kada nana, but important only normal year conditions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, clear nana, all of you. Yes, any doubts, please? TCS digital nana. ముల్లపూడి నాన్న, ఒకసారి నేను నా నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా ముల్లపూడి, తీసుకున్నావా? రాజశేఖరేనా?
Sir, Mullapudi Ram Subhash.
రామ్ సుభాష్, నా నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా నీకు?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఒకసారి నాకు 9 o'clock ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కాల్ నీకు, నేను డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను అబౌట్ టీసీఎస్ డిజిటల్ యువర్ కాలేజ్.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
ఓకే.
Sir.
Yes, what about others nana? Please, any doubts?
సార్ ఒకసారి మీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ చెప్పరా సార్?
970. ఓకేనా?
970
441
441
3836.
3836.
ఓకే కదా? దట్ ఈస్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో. నాగరాజు, మీరైనా కాల్
Yes, sir.
చేసింది? రైట్.
మిస్టేక్ లో పోయింది సార్.
Okay, no problem. Sonu, will you explain UPSC, sir? Definitely nana, not this time kada. But UPPSC also same syllabus nana. Same syllabus same, but way of questioning only different. Topic same, concept same.
సార్ ఇన్ గేట్ సార్?
Gate 12 marks only aptitude. Just you follow the topics perfectly. Enough to prepare your gate also. 12 marks only. Aptitude 12 marks. Mathematics 10 marks. 22 marks only my subject.
ఓకే సార్.
A gate I think only 5 topics enough. Only 5 topics. No need to prepare 20 chapters. Just to prepare 5 chapters perfectly, then 12 marks completed. No need to prepare all the topics in aptitude. Don't waste your time. Okay?
ఓకే సార్.
మీరు ఇంక్లూడింగ్ ఆర్ఆర్బి ఎగ్జామ్స్, రైల్వే ఎగ్జామ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, విఆర్ఏ, విఆర్ఓ, పంచాయత్ సెక్రటరీ, పోలీస్ కానిస్టేబుల్స్, ఎస్ఐ, you may write any competitive exam, especially for government services exams. Important subject only quant and reasoning. These two are very, very important for government services based exams, central, state, especially police constable and SI, and also civil services examination also. I think quant 100 marks and reasoning 100 marks nana. Even staff selection commission also, SSC jobs nana, staff selection commission, forest department, you may write any competitive exam, paper 1 quant, paper 2 reasoning. మీకు డెఫినెట్గా ఉంటాయి 100 200 మార్క్స్ ఓన్లీ మై సబ్జెక్ట్ అమ్మా. మై సబ్జెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ 200. దీంతో పాటు మీరు ఏం చేయండి, కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్, జనరల్ స్టడీస్ నాన్న, 8th 9th 10th హిస్టరీ, ఎకనామిక్స్, జాగ్రఫీ, పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్ అండ్ సైన్స్. యూ ప్రిపేర్ దట్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆల్సో, అండ్ aptitude. ఇవి వస్తే దెన్ గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ ఇన్ యువర్ పాకెట్ గ్యారెంటీ పక్కా. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్, మెరిట్ స్కోర్ and reservation, these two applicable to government sector. But private sector, there is no reservation. Private sector target just to clear the exam, and every round elimination. But government sector elimination only test. If you clear the test, almost all your job confirmed. I only just elimination only 10% only, but placements every round elimination. Okay na? Yes, thank you everyone, Nana.